Alright, this is for my buyer. Nice house in Venetian Bay in the area they wanted. I want to show you this upgraded landscaping. Beautiful. Mess with Jim a little bit. There's a bird of paradise right there on the corner. The bushes do go completely around the entire home. Nice rock or stone paver porch. It does have hurricane shutters. As soon as you walk in, to the left would be the office or the dining room. Good sized room. I'll show you real quick. There's the layout and the name. Nice size entryway. Nice bar. That is a solid surface. You know, like a granite or some kind of stone. Upgraded kitchen. Oven has a warmer and an oven. Nice and pretty. Backsplash. Eat-in kitchen. All the blinds, all the fun. That goes out to the pool, which is unusual for them to have a pool. But they have one, and it's really nice. One of the bedrooms that they use as a workout room. These two rooms are about the same size. That's a full-size bed, so you can kind of see how much room you have around it. Then here's a full-size bath for that bedroom and for guests. Then you walk down to the master. Directly in front of us is the laundry room and the garage. It's a full-size or queen-size bed, but it's a large master. This home is about 1,800 square feet. It's like 1,751 under heat and air. Water closet, double vanity, walk-in closet. And we have a shower tub combination. If you want the tub removed, we can hook you up with a good guy to do that. Then you can make a bigger shower. Real pretty home. This is the part, the front, and then back here is what's going to sell this house. Paver pool area. Nice little drinking pool. Fence is already up for some pups. Beautiful area. And it's going to be hard to beat this one. Right there's the lake. Take walks around the lake, all that fun stuff. You are in Venetian Bay, remember? So you have a great area to hang out as far as restaurants and a workout place. It has a tile roof also. There's the two-stall garage, alleyway living, and we'll leave with the pool area.